Today I'm going to show you how to put your own samples on the K.O.II, and it's going to be using the utility tool that is provided from the link below, and I'll leave the link in a pinned comment. So it's pretty simple. I actually wiped my K.O.II. I don't suggest doing this because at this moment I can't see any way to recover the sounds that come with it, but I did it in the case of this video. All right, so I would organize your samples the way you want them. Again, you don't have to do this, but it's better to organize the drums separately, like the kicks, the snares, the hats, the basses, and the synths. That's at least the way I'm going to do it in this tutorial. Now, once you have the unit connected, the program should register that it is connected and you're good to go. And all you have to do is click and drag your samples over. Now, in my experience, I would do this one at a time. I know it's a bit tedious, but when you try to group batch them, sometimes things can get a bit messy. So just click and drag one at a time the samples. You also have this little meter here, and it shows you how much memory you have left in the device. Now, I filled this unit up with a decent amount of samples, and I didn't even get close to filling up the built-in memory because there is a way that the utility tool compresses it and makes it optimized for the unit. So I'm gonna right now fill up some kicks. I got some 909s gonna throw in, an 808, gotta do that. If you want to play back the sample, simply press space or click it while the sample is activated. If you want to remove a sample, click the little X here on the highlighted sample. So now since I have a decent amount of kicks, now it's time to add in some snares. So I'm going to click the snare tab, which is going to be numbered 100 to 199. This is the way you could find the sample later when you're searching the data bank. And I'm going to drop in some snares by clicking each one individually. Now since I have a bunch of snares, it's time to move on to cymbals, then percussion, now bass, and I'm going to add some melody as well. Melody is going to be kind of like my lead synthesizer. Now it's time to test out these samples. I'm going to leave the USB plugged to my computer for two reasons. One, because it's going to bypass the battery and just power the unit via USB. And another reason is because you can actually see the samples that you're playing on the little screen that's in the utility tool. So let's get jamming. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing here, I'm switching the bass line out with different sounds. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so that's the video. So before you get this unit, I would suggest waiting a little bit because I have a review in the works. I just need to get the know the unit better, and there's also something I need to address. So it's a bit of an issue. So I will mention that in the video. I'm trying to get it resolved, but yeah, stay tuned.